Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you working hard, but still feel like you're not getting ahead financially? You're not alone. So many people fall into the trap of thinking a good salary equals financial security. But the truth is, your salary alone won't make you rich. In today's video, we're going to uncover why your salary might be keeping you poor and, more importantly, how you can fix it. We'll dive deep into the pitfalls that keep people stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. And most importantly, I'm going to give you actionable steps to break free and build real wealth. Let's talk about one of the biggest financial traps out there: lifestyle inflation. It sounds innocent enough, right? You get a raise, maybe a promotion, and suddenly you feel like you can afford to treat yourself a little. You upgrade your apartment, buy a nicer car, start eating out more often. It feels good in the moment, but here's the thing. Your expenses have now expanded to match your income. You're making more money, sure, but you're also spending more money. And that, my friends, is the very definition of being stuck on the hedonic treadmill. You're working just as hard, but you're not actually building wealth. You're stuck in this endless cycle of earning and spending, never really getting ahead. The worst part? Lifestyle inflation can be incredibly sneaky. It creeps up on you slowly, almost without you even noticing. One day, you're celebrating a promotion with a fancy dinner, and the next thing you know, those fancy dinners have become a regular habit. And that's how it gets you. So how do you combat this silent wealth killer? Awareness is key. Start by tracking your spending for a few months. Really get a clear picture of where your money is going. You might be surprised by what you find. Now, let's talk about another major culprit that keeps people tethered to their salaries: high-interest debt. I'm talking about credit card debt, payday loans, those kinds of things. This isn't about having a mortgage or student loans, which can be considered good debt under the right circumstances. This is about debt that just keeps sucking money out of your pocket month after month. Think about it. You're working hard, earning a good salary, but a huge chunk of that money is going straight to paying off interest on your credit cards. It's like trying to run a marathon with a 50-pound weight strapped to your back. You might make some progress, but it's going to be a slow and painful journey. And the worst part is, high-interest debt has a way of snowballing out of control. It starts with a small purchase here, a little overspending there, and before you know it, you're drowning in debt. And let me tell you, the interest rates on these types of loans are designed to keep you trapped. They're predatory, they're unfair, and they're designed to make sure you stay in debt for as long as possible. But here's the good news. You can escape the debt trap. It takes discipline, it takes commitment, but it is absolutely possible. The first step is to stop digging. Put those credit cards away, cut them up if you have to, and commit to living within your means. You know, it's crazy to me that we're never really taught about money in school. We learn about history, science, math, but when it comes to managing our finances, something we'll all be doing our entire lives, we're pretty much left to figure it out on our own. And that lack of financial education is a huge problem, because without understanding basic financial principles, it's incredibly easy to make poor money decisions that can have long-lasting consequences. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. You might get something that kind of resembles a house, but it's probably not going to be very sturdy, and it's definitely not going to last. Financial literacy is about understanding how money works. It's about budgeting, saving, investing, understanding debt, and making informed decisions about your financial future. It's about taking control of your money instead of letting your money control you. The good news is, there are tons of resources available to help you improve your financial literacy. There are books, podcasts, websites, even YouTube channels like mine, dedicated to helping you learn about personal finance. So take advantage of these resources. Invest in your financial education. It might just be the best investment you ever make. Now, let's talk about investing. And before you click away, thinking, investing is only for rich people, let me stop you right there. Investing is for everyone, and it's one of the most powerful tools you have for building long-term wealth. See, when you invest your money, you're essentially putting it to work for you. Your money is out there earning more money, even while you're sleeping. That's the beauty of compounding. It's like a snowball effect. The earlier you start investing, even if it's just a small amount, the more time your money has to grow. And trust me, that growth can be exponential. Think about it this way. If you invest $100 today and it earns a 7% annual return, in 30 years, that $100 will have magically transformed into over $750. And that's just from $100. Imagine the possibilities if you're consistently investing a portion of your income every month. Investing doesn't have to be complicated either. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz kid to get started. There are plenty of simple, low-cost investment options available, like index funds and ETFs, that can help you get started building a diversified portfolio. Finally, let's talk about the importance of diversifying your income and why multiple streams matter. Relying on a single source of income, like your salary, is risky. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. If something happens to that one source of income, whether it's a job loss, a pay cut, or an unexpected illness, you're left financially vulnerable. That's why it's so important to create multiple streams of income. This could be anything from starting a side hustle, to investing in real estate, to creating and selling online courses. The key is to have multiple streams of income flowing in, so that if one dries up, you're not left high and dry. Having multiple income streams not only provides financial security, but it also accelerates your path to financial freedom. The more money you have coming in, the faster you can pay off debt, invest, and build wealth. And the best part is, creating multiple income streams is easier than ever before. Thanks to the internet, there are endless opportunities to start a side hustle or build an online business from the comfort of your own home. So, there you have it. Reasons why your salary alone might not be enough to achieve true financial freedom. Remember, it's not just about how much money you make, but how you manage and leverage that money to build a secure and abundant future. Start by tackling lifestyle inflation, conquer high-interest debt, invest in your financial education, embrace the power of investing, and diversify your income streams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips on how to take control of your financial future. And remember, it's never too late to start making smarter financial decisions.